Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for upcoming videos and press the bell icon, and also share our videos. It will help you a lot in your studies. So let's start. Today's topic is active wise and passive wise, fail maroof and fail majhul. पैसिव वाइज आज हम पैसिव वाइज सीखेंगे. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस. दैट वाज आवर प्रीवियस लेक्चर, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस. नाउ वी विल solve the passive voice. First of all, we come to know and revise the rules. Active voice. What is active voice? A verb which shows its subject, the doer of the action. It means that active voice has a subject. जहाँ पे subject होगा वो क्या होगा? Active voice होगा. Okay? डूअर किसे कहते हैं? सब्जेक्ट को. लाइक इरम रीड्स अ बुक. हेयर इज रीड्स एंड इरम इज अ सब्जेक्ट, रीड्स, सो दैट इज इरम रीड्स अ बुक. इरम किताब पढ़ती है, दैट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. एंड व्हाट इज पैसिव वॉइस? पैसिव वॉइस अ वर्ब व्हिच डज नॉट शो इट्स सब्जेक्ट. अ वर्ब व्हिच डज नॉट शो इट्स सब्जेक्ट, जब वो अपना सब्जेक्ट शो नहीं करता या ऑब्जेक्ट को कन्वर्ट कर देता है सब्जेक्ट में, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैसिव वॉइस. लाइक अ बुक इज रेड. पैसिव वॉइस. ओके, अ बुक इज रेड. बुक पढ़ी गई है या पढ़ी जाती है. किससे? इज देयर एनी काइंड ऑफ सब्जेक्ट और अ डूअर? नो, इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. नो मेंशन ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. अ बुक इज रेड. अ बुक इज रेड. हियर इज इरम रीड्स अ बुक. एक्टिव वॉइस. अ बुक इज रेड. पैसिव वॉइस. इफ वी राइट अ बुक इज रेड बाय इरम, दैट इज आल्सो अ पैसिव वॉइस. Iram read a book. Active voice. A book is read by Iram. Active voice convert it into passive voice because the subject is converted as an object and object is converted as a subject. That is active voice and that is passive voice. That is object. Object is converted into subject and subject is converted into object. And there is the use of by and also read, third form of verb. That means it is active voice and that is passive voice. A book is read. That is also a passive voice because there is no mention of subject. So there are some rules I have written for you to recall it and to remember it by heart. First is the subject is replaced with the object and the object is replaced with the subject. As I have told you an example, Iram converted into object because it is subject and object converted into subject. Second is third form of verb is used. Past participle is used. Read. That is third form. After that, helping verb is used according to their tense. According to the tense we use helping verb. It may be a present, past or future. After that, by before object. By before object. By before object. A personal pronouns are used in the place of subject, then they convert into possessive pronoun. Here we can say that when we use I is converted into me, he, him, according to the according to the pronouns we replace it with personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Is that clear now? So these are the rules for making active voice to passive voice or for converted active voice into passive voice. Okay students, our previous lecture was about the present continuous, that was is rm plus ing form. It is the formation. Present continuous, the action that is going on but not completed. We have helping of is rm plus ing form, and when we use it as an passive, what is the formation? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट की जगह ऑब्जेक्ट आ जाता है, ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह सब्जेक्ट आता है, इसलिए हमने इसको ऐसे लिखा ताकि आपको समझ आ जाए. ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इज आर एम किसको शो करेगा? टू शो द प्रेजेंट. कॉन्टिन्यूस टू शो विद बीइंग इज यूज फॉर द कॉन्टिन्यूस. यू मे सेड दैट इट इज अ फॉर्मूला to solve to convert the active voice into passive voice in present continuous. Present continuous बनाने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? being. Passive voice के लिए is rm shows that it is present, being shows that it is continuous, and passive voice you know very well there is should be the third form of verb. So after the being we put third form of verb and then by before the object. That is object, we can say that, but it is change, replaced. सब्जेक्ट की जगह ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है, तो उससे पहले हमने बाय लगाना है. Here are some examples. सलमा मेरे बालों में कंघा कर रही है. That is present continuous. कंघा कर रही है. सलमा is combing my hair. Is plus ing form. मेरे बालों में कंघा सलमा से किया जा रहा है. That is passive voice. That is passive voice. Active voice converted into passive voice. सलमा मेरे बालों में कंघी कर रही है, कंघा कर रही है, मेरे बालों में कंघा सलमा से किया जा रहा है. सो पहले क्या आ जाएगा, माई हेयर, क्योंकि इसके अंदर मेरे बालों में कंघा, ठीक है. माई हेयर, माई इधर, ठीक है. सलमा मेरे बालों में कंघा कर रही है. माई हेयर आर बीइंग कॉम्ड. आर शो करेगा प्रेजेंट को और बीइंग शो करेगा कॉन्टिन्यूस. उसके बाद थर्ड फॉर्म हमने ज़रूर लगानी है क्योंकि ये पैसिव वॉइस बनाना है. माई हेयर आर बीइंग कॉम्ड बाय सलमा. That is passive voice. Salma is combing my hair. Active voice. My hair are being combed by Salma. So you should have to remember that formation is RM plus being plus third form. Is RM plus being plus third form. Is RM plus being plus third form, and after that by an object. Okay. Here is another example. He is singing a song. Active voice. He is singing a song. वो गाना गा रहा है. A song, that is change into and replace into subject. A song is being present continuous sung by him. ही की जगह हमने क्या लगा देना, him. मैंने अभी आपको ये रूल भी बताया. A song is being sung by him. That is active voice. That is passive voice. Students, here are some examples. Let's start to revise it. I am flying kite. Kite is being flown by me. Third form of verb being continuous is present. Salman is writing a letter. A letter is being written by Salman. They are not listening us. We are not being listened by them. यहाँ पे us है ना, तो इसको जब हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउन में करेंगे तो we आ जाएगा. Is the girl washing clothes? क्लॉथ ज़्यादा है ना, तो जब हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे सब्जेक्ट में तो यहाँ पे हमने अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाना होता है. तो यहाँ पे हम इज नहीं लगाएंगे, हम आर लगाएंगे. क्यों क्लॉथ्स आर द प्लूरल. क्लॉथ्स, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन मार्क है. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ इंट्रोगेटिव. आर क्लॉथ्स बीइंग वॉश्ड बाय द गर्ल. इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? देयर इज द गर्ल, बट इट इज़ रिप्लेस्ड by the object, and object is replaced by the subject. So is the girl washing clothes? Are clothes being washed by girl? After that, am I not enjoying the song? Am I not enjoying the song? Songs, there is also another example of according to subject. When it replaces the object subject, we can say that are the songs not being enjoyed by me, or the songs not being enjoyed me. Is that clear? According to subject, जब ये replace हो जाता है subject की जगह object, तो फिर हम उसके according helping verbs use करते हैं. Is that clear now? So subject is RM, being शो करेगा continuous को, third form for passive voice and by, and then subject converted into object and object converted into subject. So students, it's up to you to do more practice of it, then you will understand all the rules of the active voice, passive voice of present continuous. Here are the translate into English. This is your homework. Write these sentences in Urdu and then convert it into English. These are all present continuous, and after that change it into passive voice. हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं. We are working hard. जब मेहनत हमसे हो रही है, ठीक है. Working hard is done by us. तुम मछलियाँ नहीं पकड़ रहे हो. You are not catching the fish. Fish are not caught by us. इस तरह से आपने इनको करना है, ठीक है। मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस इज आर एम प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, इट मीन्स ING फॉर्म। कॉन्टिन्यूस मीन्स द एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन बट नॉट कम्प्लीटेड। हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं, तुम मछलियाँ नहीं पकड़ रहे हो, क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं। मैं खड़ा हूँ, सारा दौड़ नहीं रही है, वो शोर मचा रहा है। लेटने की मैंने इंग्लिश लाइन लिखी हुई है, ठीक है। क्या हमारे हम जमात साथियों का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, हम कराची जा रहे हैं। क्या नसीमा सो रही है, मैं सबक याद कर रही हूँ। These are all present continuous. There are two different sentences I have mentioned here to understand you why I am writing here. मैं खड़ा हूँ. It means that it is going on but not completed. The action is going on but not completed. मैं खड़ा हूँ. I am standing. ठीक है, तो ये भी प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस है। क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं। दिस एक्शन इज ऑल्सो कॉन्टिन्यूसली गोइंग ऑन बट नॉट एंड बट नॉट कंप्लीट। सो देयर वी शुड कैन से दैट इट इज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस। क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं। ओके, आर दे लाइंग ऑन द ग्रास। इज दैट क्लियर नाउ। क्या हमारे हम जमात साथियों का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। आर फ्रेंड्स आर क्लास फेलोज वेटिंग फॉर कंपेनियंस। साथियों को कंपेनियंस बोलते हैं, ठीक है, कंपेनियंस। इज दैट क्लियर नाउ। फर्स्ट यू शुड हैव टू राइट दीज ऑल उर्दू sentences, then make the English translation of it and then convert it into passive voice. This is your homework. So student, there is a difficult sentence. क्या हमारे हम जमात साथियों का इंतज़ार करें. First you make it active voice. Are our class fellows waiting for us? Okay, are our class fellows waiting for us. When we convert it into passive voice, we should have to first see the object. Object is us and we convert it into a personal pronoun. Then we can say that here is question mark should be we. Okay, are we being waited by our class fellows? Question mark. Are we being waited? Are we being waited by our class fellows? Okay, are our class fellows waiting for us? That is active voice. Are we being waited by our class fellows? That is passive voice. Like that. क्या वो घास पर लेटे हुए हैं. First you make active voice. Are they lying on the grass? Question mark. And then you put or convert it into passive voice. Then you have to write the grass as a subject. So is the grass being laid by them? LAID laid. Is the grass being laid by them? So इसी तरह से आपने ये सारे सेंटेंसेस कर लेने हैं. एक दफ़ा ये लिख लेना है नोटबुक के ऊपर, उसके बाद आपने करने हैं. If you have any confusion, then give a message for me to sir, and then I will tell you about it, and please don't confuse. Now we have conversational sentences. These are extra extension work. Are माफ़ कीजिएगा, मुझे आपकी समझ नहीं आई. I am afraid I couldn't get you. Students, class 6 and 7, your competition will be held when the classes will start, and I will take a test of the conversational sentences. Oral test will be done. Okay, so you should have to learn by heart. माफ़ कीजिएगा, मुझे आपकी समझ नहीं आई. I am afraid I could not get you. I am afraid I could not get you. I am afraid I couldn't get you. Could not, contraction is used, so we have to say couldn't. I am afraid I couldn't get you. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have got headache. I have got headache. Okay, you should have to practice it at home and learn by heart. Students, your diary. Today's your diaries do translation and practice of passive voice plus learn sentences. This is your translation. You should have to translate into English and then convert into passive voice, and then you have to learn these conversational sentences. And this is your diary. Allah Hafiz.